What's up, guys? So this here is New Dude 167, and today what I have for you is a review on a really nice Android box, which is called the Mecool KM9PRO Classic. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a review. Okay, I'm gonna show you everything that it comes with. I'm gonna open up the box. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Then after that, I'm gonna go over all the different features, all the different specs, and then after that, I'm going to hook it up and we're going to do a test run just to check out exactly how it performs and exactly what it looks like when you first open it up. All right, so before I get started, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Help me out by giving this video a thumbs up. Another thing, comment. Let me know what you think about this Android box, okay? First off, have you used one? Do you have one? Or have you seen one? If you do have this Mecool KM9PRO Classic, let us all know exactly how it runs and what you come across as far as pros and cons. All right, and with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's open it up. That way we could show you exactly what it looks like, what you get, and how it runs. Okay, so let's go ahead and go with the unboxing first, and then we'll get with the specs and all that as well. Okay, so when you first get it, this is what it looks like. You have your general options, really decent. But I want to throw this out there, okay? It has your Google Assist, Google Play, your YouTube, as well as a Chromecast and your 4K HDR. All right, really nice. Okay, on the back, it tells you a couple different things, which I'm going to go over here shortly. So we'll just skip over that. It tells you what's in here, but you know what? We're going to open it up just to see. I'm going to show you what it looks like when you first get it from the manufacturer. Okay, so it has the actual Mecool Android TV box. Okay, it has a little plastic film on it. Let's take this thing off. All right, so here it is. All right, so let's look at the box real quick, okay? So this is the front of it, all right? You have your light. Whenever you turn it on, it'll light up. You have a vent next to that. The bottom has vents as well. All right, so next to that, we have this here, okay? We have our external. Okay, we have our USB 3.0 and then a 2.0. We have our DC in, our HD TV, a lanyard, and then your AV. All right, really nice, pretty decent. All right, on the bottom is a lot of different vents. Okay, really cool. All right, so I'm gonna throw. Oh yeah, on the bottom as well. We have these little rubber garments from keeping it sliding and touching, and for it being flat on the surface. Okay, enough of that. Let's see what's inside before we could get on with this review. Okay. So, just like the box stated, this is what it has, okay? You have your HDMI, you have your power cord, and then we have our remote, okay? This is our remote. Let me show you the remote really quick. Okay, so it's pretty decent, not bad whatsoever. It's about our average remote, all right? All right, but with that being said though, guys, let me go ahead and go over the specs really quick, just to show you exactly what it has to offer and what it has, okay? So remember, this here is the Mecool KM9PRO Classic. Okay, it is a quality Android 9.0, okay, 9.0 TV box that supports Google Home as well as Google Cast, okay? So you could not only control it with your voice, you could link it to all your other smart household appliances, and you could also use it as a streaming box as well. So you could also, with the Cast, with the Google Cast, you could use your phone to make it a bigger screen, okay? So screen it or cast it to your device, to your TV, whatever it is. Really, really nice. That's what I like about this box, okay? So it also has the Amlogic S905X2 CPU and a 2 GB plus 16 GB to ensure a smooth and fast performance. So you'll have no worry to worry about anything. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over a couple of the different main specs really quick, guys, just really quick. Okay, so remember though, guys, this box here is Google certified, guys. It's Google certified, okay, and it's with the updated Amlogic S905X2 CPU. So you could use it for gaming, whatever, okay, whatever. So it comes with a voice activated remote. You could search through your applications, whatever it is, okay? It's voice remote. Okay, it's affordable. It's about $42.99. Not bad whatsoever, guys, at all. Okay, it supports Google Home voice control, like I've been saying. Remember, one more time, It's Android 9.0 Pi system with a 2 gigabyte plus 16 gigabyte. So you could enjoy the experience with all this here, guys. Really great features. Okay, and like I said, it supports Google Cast and 4K HDR for streaming movies, using your photos, for gaming, whatever it is, and you could use that cast. You could use the cast for a bigger screen from your device. Okay, it supports Bluetooth as well as it has a USB 3.0 for fast data transfer. Okay, a couple different specs really quick. I've already kind of gone over them. So, the operating system is an Android 9.0. Okay, Android 9.0. Really nice, guys. Okay, the CPU is the Amlogic S905X2. It's a quad-core ARM Cortex A53. So it's a quad-core, guys. Really nice. Okay, so the GPU is a ARM G31 MP2. Okay, the RAM, guys, 2 gigabytes of RAM. It has 16 gigabytes of ROM, okay? 16 gigabytes. All right, and then it also has Wi-Fi as well, and then it supports Bluetooth as well. All right, and not only that though, guys, it has an option for your external storage up to 64 gigabytes, guys. Really nice. So that's a lot of storage, guys, with the external as well as the internal. All right, so enough of that, guys. Enough of the specs, enough of all this. Let's go ahead and hook it up. Let's check it out. Let's see how it performs. Okay, so this is exactly what it looks like when you first open it up. Okay, so on the top left is where you use your voice. You could search movies, TVs, and more, whatever it is. Okay, all the way to the top right is our settings. Okay, I'm going to push settings. Okay, so I haven't set it up. All I did was connect it to internet, okay, or Wi-Fi. Okay, you have all these options here. Really cool, really nice. If you have another remote, like a keyboard or something, you would hook it up here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go down, okay? So these are all the different default options, okay, which are pretty decent, okay? You have your sideload launcher. Okay, let's go ahead and go in that. So we have this here, okay? We have our gallery, our Play Store, YouTube, all these options here, okay? Really nice, really great. Okay, so check this out right here, guys. This is really cool. So this tells us all the information on our box, okay? The brand is Mecool. Okay, the product is a KM9PRO. Okay, that's the model number. All right, or the model. All right, really nice, guys. Okay, then it says that Google Widevine Modular DRM is supported, a bunch of different things like that. So, okay, let's go to this, okay? Check this out, guys. This is a lot of different options within this box. A bunch of different things, guys. A lot of different things. You could do so many different things within this right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back one more time. Okay, this is our movie player, which is default. YouTube, our Google Play movies and TVs shows. Okay, really nice. Okay, and then there's your advanced settings. Okay, and then down here, these are the featured movies. You do have to pay for them, all right, but I mean, that's the reason we get these boxes, where we could get file linked and get all them great apps and APK stuff like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go up, and we're going to go over to apps. Okay, this is the apps. So these are all the default apps. Okay, so on the top it says get more apps, get more games. So we have our side launcher, our DRM info. All right, movie player. Here's our most important thing on this entire box, guys, is the Google Play Store. Okay, it supports Google Play. Really nice. And then it has this update feature. If it doesn't come up automatically, you click it, see if there's any updates for this device. All right, so with that being said though, guys, it's a really great box, guys. It's a decent box. It's the 9.0. It has a bunch of different features and specs. I already went over all that. A nice little box for the decent price. Okay, and remember, you could put pretty much everything and anything on here, guys. You could put file link, you could put KODI, you could get all your movies, all your TV shows, everything and anything you could think of, guys. And that's the reason why I do these reviews. That way you could get you a pretty decent box, okay? I've been using this for a while. It's been working really, really good. And remember, if you want a box like this, check out in the description. There's going to be a discount link, okay? There's going to be a link to gearbest.com, and it's going to take you directly to the website. If you want a box, get it. If not, it's all good. I mean, you don't have to get it whatsoever. But what I wanted to do is a quick review on this box. I showed you what came in there. I showed you a review. I showed you what it looks like when I first open it up. All right, it's a pretty decent box, okay? Remember, it's a Mecool KM9PRO. Nice, guys. Really, really nice. All right, and one more time, guys, if you want a box, there's a link in the description. Click it, copy it, paste it, go to gearbest.com, get you a box, guys. Really, really nice. All right, so with that being said, though, guys, what I did is I opened up the box. I showed you everything in there. I showed you this. I showed you that, the specs, the features, all that, guys, all that. All right, so what I'm going to do next, though, guys, is in a couple weeks, in about probably 2-3 weeks, I'm going to do another video, and I'm going to show you all the pros, all the cons that I found within this box, as well as the other box that I did, the other Mecool box. Okay, so be waiting for the review. It ain't a review. It's going to be like a 2 or 3 week, I guess you'd say a review, okay? I'm going to tell you all the pros, all the cons, all that stuff, okay? I just want to show you if it's a good box, a bad box. But as of right now, I could tell you this. It's a pretty decent box with some really great features, with some good size memory, all that, guys. Not bad whatsoever for the price point at which it is. Okay, with that being said, thank you for watching. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment, okay? Let me know what you think about this box, okay? If you have one, let us know the goods, the bads, the pros, the cons, and then finally subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit that little bell icon. That way, anytime I upload a video, it'll go straight to your notifications. And then, like usual, if you ever run into any problems running or installing any apps, installing any devices, whatever it is, just comment in the comment section, and I will definitely get back to you.